Orukiiko rwaba rwebembirwe Fred Mwema kuruga Anti-Counterfeit Goods Bill, Joseph Kizito kuruga Uganda Communications Commission, Deputy Town Clerk, DPC hamwe n'abantu ba burijo.
So when a problem comes, it's better to look for a solution. So that's why we have called you. We need your views on how we can solve this problem.
Omurukiiko ru babanza kuganira n'abantu bonna kandi Joseph Kizito owa UCC yashoborera abantu kubine kwegendesereza amasomo g'ebicupuri ahabwo kubanaga leta kabi ahamagara g'abantu.
Fight the fake phones. Ebicupuri by'amasimu. Mbere simu zaizire when UCC was instituted in 1997. A phone was not the biggest problem. Why? After all, it was SMS.
Ogu yayongeragira ngo bonka UCC iteke nibarahagera kandi ngo nabo hine kibariyo nibakoraho okuranisa ebicupuri.
UCC ekitekerezo byizera bagamba tuliteka habo kuba we have tried nja kubagambira ko tulengera gukora ka UCC kitongole cy'ebempuzigano za as a communications regulator. Obyizire we realized baby tulemeseze gukora iteka lyo kutuyamba ngo tuyambe the end result no muntu mu Uganda. So as UCC we are happy with the bill. I can commit on behalf of the management of UCC that we're going to support it. That's why we partnered and Counterfeit Network.
Fred Mwema owabayebembire kiganiro eki yashoborera abantu okwiteka rakore nk'omuntu kumukome emyaka 10 yashangwa ijumbiro mu bicupuri.
Fake soap bwenobanga womukolera packaging material, because without packaging the man will not put the product to Mbarara to sell. The law is saying now we are funded agenda kuita. Can you come and explain why are you promoting counterfeit? The law says if you are found helping in the transportation of this product, you also have a case of answer.
Yayenjeragira ngo gwe wena atakuhagira itekeri nabana ihayo kufa habo kubo buto twihomba bicupuri n'ubuturwaza indwara nkaza cancer.
Enough to say uchintu echikwata ku health and safety of Ugandans. I understand. So it's the first kind of it a law like this, and the law has been difficult to make because there were issues. It's not that the government doesn't really care. It cares. That's why UCC is here. That's why Parliament also gave leave, permission for the law to be passed.
Kurigirira abantu abari mu kiganiro eco bahereka ko bakushemba iteke kuzo mu Parliament rikikirizwa bwanyuma Eririkurwanisa ebicupuri omwihanga.
Me, since now this bill is brought on the board, I think we are going to use these partners like the police. All along they have been supplying items in the markets, and for us we need to know how fake they were, but we could get complaints after people have taken them.
Achintu chenkito njona danchiro bagamba nkito izire bantu mweno mazima mwe bari mwagambe chintu kirungi nojware nkito ohurro musunkonga n'ubushasha ahabo kwa fashion zizire twaza chintu cha makeup ntwenda kurebuka ki bonka embibire fire ahabo bintu bya makeup.
Gasha kwa Olivia Kamsime ahabwa Sky Television agenshonga omuri Mbarara.